Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Okay, it's Friday night, y'all, and know what that means for the last 4 weeks. It's my Friday night pie edition. This week I'm doing a little twist on my pecan pie. I'm gonna do a chocolate pecan bourbon pie. I got something you never see on my counter is alcohol. So I always keep alcohol in my, matter of fact, I got a fully stocked bar. I don't drink alcohol, but I do cook with it, and I do have maybe a few friends come over that want something to drink. So I always have alcohol on hand. So I'm using some Jack Daniel's bourbon whiskey here. So that's gonna be the bourbon in my pecan pie. So let's get started here. First off, please comment, please share, please like. I'm gonna start doing this before and after the videos. And thumbs up are very important to me, and comments. I like that. I see a lot of people view my video, but I don't get no thumbs up or any kind of reaction after the views. So I really appreciate it. So anyway, let's get started. Like I said, y'all see me make pecan pie before. You know it's pretty simple. I do everything in the bowl. I whip everything up in the bowl. I don't even use a mixer. It's not even necessary. So I try to whip the eggs up. And you can use a mixer if you want to, but I don't. Not for this. It's so easy. Another thing I do, you see how easy that syrup come out of there? I spray my mixer, not mixer. I spray my measuring cup with some non-stick spray that, and then put your syrup in there, and all your syrup will come out. So I got my eggs and vanilla and syrup in there. I'm gonna put my bourbon in here, my butter, put that up in there, and I'm gonna put my sugar. Mix up really good. That sugar dissolve. That up really good. Now I'm gonna pour my. I use some Hershey semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna put 3/4 of my pecans in here. I'm gonna save the rest to put on top here. Mix them up in there. I got a pie shell here. I pour bake my pie shell just a little. Y'all know I pour bake mine just about 5 minutes, so I don't have that soggy crust. Throw that in there. And I put the pecans. I like to put some pecans right on top here. So it look pretty when it come out, y'all. Yes, sir. Like I say, pecan pie is one of the easiest pies in the world to make, y'all. I think I put a little bit more pecans in I'm supposed to put, but hey, can never have too many pecans. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 1 hour. We'll come back, we'll have a good old Texas old school chocolate bourbon pecan pie. We'll be right back in about an hour. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, it's been about 60 minutes here, and the pie is ready. Look at that, y'all. Look at that nice, let me get off the pan here. Nice pecan pie. Look at that. They're awesome. See that? Now, of course, I'm gonna let this cool probably about 3 hours. We're gonna let it sit here and cool off. And then after 3 hours, we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut us a slice. I'm not a big chocolate fan. I love pecan pie. I'm not a big chocolate fan or bourbon fan. But I'm actually making this for a neighbor of mine. I had a request to do this, so I figured I'd make it my Friday night pie and kill two birds with one stone. But I am gonna cut it and taste it. I mean, I don't like chocolate, but it ain't nothing like, I just can't eat it. I just prefer not to put chocolate in my pecan pie. But anyway, we'll be back in about 3 hours, and we'll try out our Friday night pie of the week. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna cut this pecan pie up. Let's see what we got, y'all. Here we go. That off. Y'all know the first piece is always the craziest piece to come out of here. I think I got one here that's gonna work. There we go. Got that there. See that? You can see the chocolate in there. Definitely pecans, of course. Let's try this out here a little. Like I say, y'all, I'm not a chocolate pecan pie fan. Pecans are good. You can taste the chocolate. I don't really want to mess it up. I got to do a thumbnail for this. Of course, this rest of this is going to be for my neighbor. But I wanted to show y'all how easy it is to make not only pecan pie, but you can kind of, you know, you can leave the bourbon out. You can leave the chocolate out, put your chocolate in there. But it all works out. So, anyway, good old Texas pecan pie with chocolate and bourbon. So, anyway, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching another segment of my Friday night pies. And I'll see y'all next Friday night with another special pie. Until next time, follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.